Okay, let's go.
It's now day 6. Piggy and I are on a taxi to our next destination. We're doing a, is it kimono? Kimono dress up photo shoot. She booked someone on Airbnb, a Malaysian Chinese guy. Apparently they speak English. It's very easy for us to communicate. They work with a shop that they recommended for us to go there. We're gonna head there by 11 o'clock in the morning. And the rest of the morning what we did was just to transfer our luggage over from one hotel to another, or one Airbnb to another. But that's a story for another time. Alright, so I'm selecting a kimono and Piggy's selecting a kimono. So many choices for her. I only get this section. Tall people problems. Oh. We're inside the dressing rooms now. Don't know how this works. So I'm done changing. Just waiting for Piggy now. Now what Piggy doesn't know is that I've got a ring and I'll be proposing to her today. So I'm just letting you guys know first so you know what's happening. Hey Piggy. I bow to the Empress Piggy. Alright, so the photographer has picked us up now and Piggy and I are heading to, I don't know, maybe a shrine or something. Piggy! So we're doing our photo shoot now. And our photographer has picked up some really nice spots for us. There's Piggy. He's our guy. His name is Lim. I learned some Japanese this trip. You wanna hear it? You wanna hear it?
Yeah.
I learned a phrase. It's called "Kekkon shite kuremasen ka?" Do you know what that means?
No.
You'll find out.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, bro. Kita, come here.
Where's the ring?
Oh, it's alright.
Oh, yes.
Of course, yes.
No, I don't want it.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Sorry, take your time. I know you're
Ah,
running.
don't worry, don't worry. Happy to. Show me the ring.
Show the ring. Hey, where's the kiss? Where's the kiss?
Oh. Go in, show me the ring.
Oh, I don't know why Pikachu.
Show me the ring.
I don't have one.
That's good. Congratulations.
Congrats, bro.
Congratulations.
That's good. Kiss again. Let's have a kiss. Got it.
No,
Then it's gonna be very awkward.
pressure.
So we're off to the next destination for some udon, the oldest udon in Kyoto, to signify her finger. Oh. Piggy and I are now at the, what's it called place?
Honke
Owariya, which is the oldest soba noodles.
Our oldest
Japan?
restaurant, yeah, 1465.
In Japan or in Kyoto?
One source says it's the world, and then the other source says Japan. Yeah.
Really? Oh, okay. Well, we'll find out what it tastes like. Hopefully, it's noodles from like 300 years ago. Alright, we're being seated now. It smells so good in here. It smells like soy sauce. Shoyu. Oh wow, it's quite amazing here. amazing or amaze? Both. You gotta sit proper. That's it. Oh, this looks so good. Horai soba. It's cold soba. What is this? Itawasa. Fish cake. Yeah, let's get some. Hang on, we could get to try everything with this one. Let's get the hasu. Oh man, everything looks good. A pretty big menu actually, and then there's some sweets here as well. Nice. And now I have a Japanese waifu pouring sake. And then you're supposed to say dozo. It's probably a more polite way than that. How was it? Good, right? That was the best out of the 3 dishes. Oh, I already finished that one. Oh, that looks delicious. Is it delicious? So you choose your ingredient, put it on the soba, and then pour the sauce on.
Some of this.
Yeah, pour on.
Some of this.
Yeah. And if you look at how tall this thing is, right? Anyway, Piggy's gonna demonstrate how to eat it. She missed all the noodles. She's not sucking hard enough. And then what you do, you take off the next layer. Once you're done, then you just go again. Man, always wanted to try one of these machines. They just cook the food straight away, right in the machine. It takes 4 minutes. Don't fall in, Piggy. Piggy and I are done with the kimonos. So glad we're out of those because it's so hot. So many layers in kimono. Now we're going to check out Gion. There's a huge shopping street here. Ladurei in Japan. Guys, this is the next restaurant we're eating at. Just kidding, it's just a gacha machine. Piggy and I just found this random place called the Misora Planetarium Cafe Bar. They do some interesting things on the menu, so we're gonna check it out. We're heading in now. I'm a bit scared. I don't know if they'll take us. Oh, that's cute. It's like a planetarium in here. Yo, the menu glows. Holy crap! That's the first time I've seen a glowing menu. At first I was a little bit disappointed about the lack of gimmicks since it was a bit of a blank room with a few little dots. Until they showed us this. Do it, Piggy. Oh, gimmick. Let's go. I want a gimmick up too. Wow. Flashing coaster. We need one of these for our nightlife. Food and drinks. Good. Good. They have their alcohol ones and non-alcoholic stuff as well. The gimmick was a little underplayed. I was hoping for a bit more of those planets, stars.
I was hoping to be slapped in the face by the gimmick.
Well, anyway, so this was their ad at the front. I was expecting a bit more, you know, starry night. The inside was a little less of that than I thought. I thought they could have spent a little more on the lights and so on, which is kind of the whole point of the shop. It's called Misora, Sora being like star. Or, no, I think Sora is sky. Anyway, sky or star. I thought that was a little underplayed. Not a must go, but if you're in the middle of Gion, which is extremely busy, and you just need a place to sit down, have a drink, like alcoholic, non-alcoholic, whatever you need. Nice place to be at. Like, we are really relaxed in there. Even at daytime, it's dark as fuck inside. I thought we were done with Gion. We crossed the bridge near the station, and then there's another shopping strip. Next restaurant. Looks pretty fancy. This place is called Bindia.
Oh, shit. It just says sashimi.
This fish.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. This like the shrimp eggs in there.
That's a lobster. That's not a shrimp. I would never call that a shrimp.
Middle evolution form. Before the
Just before it hits the lobster stage. How'd you think of dinner, Piggy?
That's good.
It was good. Lots of fishies. Lots of fish. If you like fish, come here. They also sell a lot of fish head. Yo, this place is nice. I reckon you paid more for this place. So we got one more night at Kyoto. A bit of a late booking. And it's looking quite nice here. Even a decent sized bathtub. And Japanese stairs are so narrow. And a small room on the side for me and Piggy. It's like 12 a.m. at night, but we're gonna have some cake because we bought it. Look how happy Mary is to have cake at 12 a.m. we can't keep it, we have to eat it. There's no chance to keep food around when you're traveling Japan because by the time you're ready to eat it, the next food place is already here. What do you think about Japanese melon, Piggy?
It's good. Try the actual melon. It's really nice.
So nice, so sweet.
And the melon is still sweet through all of
And
that.
juicy as.
Evie,
What do you think, Jim?
more,
Did you have some melon?
some more.
The one person who can't lie. Is it delicious? Very delicious? Best delicious? Yeah. What is this? Cowfish jelly.
You're meant to put
So
that in the
fancy. So that's a drink.
What, the jelly?
What?
You're meant to put them in the
Yo, I want one.
Mama,
Yeah,
now
so
I
too.
want that
And then you
And
put
then-
you got the jelly
You put this in
in there. Oh, it's
And
like one of
then-
those jelly drinks.
there. I think the jelly's already. I think this is a flavor. I really think this is a flavor.
Oh, that's the jelly.
That's a jelly. And then you shake it. See? And then you
okay,
shake
so
it.
that's the drink.
Yeah, that's the drink. Oh, that's
It's
the
like
flavor.
airplane food.
Sorry?
For lack of a better word, it's an airplane food. That's what they come in.
That's jelly.
Nice. Yeah, junk food from 7-Eleven and sake. Also from 7-Eleven.
Okay.
Told this stick is really good. We traveled half an hour away from where we're supposed to be just to get this stick. Oh, Piggy thinks they're good. Are they half an hour good?
Oh,
I think if Osaka's the only place you can get them, then sure, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not.
Actually, it is good.
Yeah.
Quite milky and nice sweetness to it. It's a strawberry version of this.
It looks expired. That's not nice.
Yeah, a bit like Pocky, but tastes better than Pocky.
Creamy
It's got more, yeah, it's got more of that Japanese strawberry flavor.
Okay, right?